Lucky atata, when you first call, yes, even. Lucky atata, when you first call, wagun tireye, ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ níbi ayé nínú, wagun tireye, ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ níbi ayé nínú. It was a fantastic giveaway from Lucky Atata Autos to people yesterday, including me. It shares almost 500 pack of rice and so many other gifts. Yes, Lucky Atata, on behalf of people that you put smile on their face yesterday, we are saying thank you. I say thank you. He has a very good heart. If I tell you what I get yesterday, wallahi, me see you want to tán. Yes, he really do try. He has a generous heart. And wait, if you are looking forward to get your luxurious cars, latest, different brands, and the one you can never get in anywhere else, contact Lucky Atata Autos. They deliver the best at Alagbaka, Akure, Ondo State. You can try them today if you are ready to get a car for your mom, your dad, your friends, your girlfriend, your side chick. They deliver the best. Yes, contact them. Yeah. I have a gift for you about yesterday at Lucky Atata office. It was fantastic. I still must say in your word generous. Understand that. Yesterday, who called the day wo me see you. Come. Wagba moto ti. Oh my god. Oh my god. It was amazing. Let me show you. Come, let me show you my car. Let me show you my new brand car. Come.